Everyone, this is Kijimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Dawn Bell has to offer. Ay, parang baby naman. Ano tawag dyan? Kuala? No? Kuala Lumpur. Chavez. Eme. Eme na. Ganda ni Bell. Ay, sensitivity talaga siya. Ay, ganda ni Alexa din, no? Ba't bakit magkamukha sila dyan? Bakit magkamukha sila, ma'am? Together, body to man, no.
Our right to love it. Nobody wants to see us together.
Body to man, no. Ay. Okay. Yes, ayan na naman. Mga trademark ni Belle talaga yan, no? Yung gumaganyan-ganyan siya. I love it. Tsaka, di ba, ma'am? Hindi po nakatanga talaga siya kay Tony. Alam, ang ganda kasi ng height ni Torrance talaga nito. Suffer. Ay, may sariling mundo sila. What is my sariling mundo for today's video? Saan siya nalahe?
Nasa'yo na ang lahat, pati ang puso ko.
Okay. That you alalay na alalay talaga sila. Thank you, Dawn Bell. Thank you, Kara, for this. Ay, what is this? Donnie and Robin smiling all good.
It's okay.
It's okay. Bakit? Iya siya. Cute. Hindi talaga ni Belle. Ay, may gorgeous si Bill talaga sila. Sorry. Sorry, meron silang guard. May marshal pala. Sorry. Sorry. May marshal ang asap. Di mo kaya. Okay. Ay, bakit ulit? Oh, look at that smile. They are really happy. Dawn Bell pa rin. May Dawn Bell pa rin talaga. Oo. Meron pa rin talaga for today. Baby. Shucks. Gwapo din. Si Robby parang hindi tumatanda, no? Before you, before. Ay, my type of man. Saan? Ay. Sino yung lalaki? Ay. Sino tinitingnan niya? Sorry sa crop, Kuya Robs. Bakit naman crop? Kinrop niyo si Kuya Robs. Still dying. Comfort. Kailan to? Oh my God, ang ganda ng picture. Ganda ng photo na yun, ha? Yes. They like each other. They really like each other. Super halata. Super halata. We cannot deny the fact. Now we're back together. Oh, okay, mali. Charis. And I show you my heart is also true. And all the love I have is especially for you. Wow. Especially for you. From the way. Okay.
Yeah, I love New York. I really do.
Pretty cool. So you like Central Park as well?
Yeah.
Gwapo. Ang expensive naman ng boses nila.
Oh, nice.
So fun.
Ay. Ay. Todo alalay talaga siya. Isang pangilinan nyo. Sumiservisyo kay isang Mariano. Ang pangilinan nyo po na tiklop, opo. Ay. Hanap. Okay. Oh, ano na ba problema mo, Bel? Kita talaga ako kay Bel kung gumaganyan siya. Bel, ano na naman yung problema? Yung totoo.
As long as we keep it
Low, 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 low key.
you ain't even gotta
Low, 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 yeah. Oh my God. Ay, hindi na panood natin ito. Ay, sino siya? Ay. Ay, bago to. Bago. Updated ang Stephanie, ha?
Matagal mag-reply.
Ay, ito. Ang daming ayuda ni Stephanie. Stephanie, thank you. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Game of Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!